Dear students, in previous video we have learned how to represent root x on number line, and one proof we have done, right? We have proved it how to represent. Now we are going to solve exercise 1.5 of NCERT book, of your book, that is NCERT class 9. In this one, first question is we will going to solve some questions. So first question is, classify the following number as rational or irrational number. We have to say these are rational or irrational. Okay. See first number 2 minus root 5. It is rational or irrational number. See, 2 is rational but root 5 is irrational, as we have learned in previous videos that in root, if prime number is there, that is irrational number, non-terminating and non-repeating type. So if this whole number will be irrational, if we subtract from rational to irrational, we will get irrational only. So this number is irrational number, right? Second one, this one, this is rational or irrational. Let us check. First we will open the bracket. This will be equal to 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. 23 minus 23 cancel. What will left? 3. As we know, this 3 is a rational number, right? This 3 is a rational number. Next one is, if we will solve this, see root 7 to root 7 cancel, and what we have now, that is 2 upon 7, and 2 upon 7 is a rational number. So this one is also rational. Now the next question is number 4 is 1 upon root 2. As we know, 2 is a prime number. If 2 is prime number, when we divide 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, so this will be a irrational. So this is irrational number. The next one is 2 pi. As you know, pi is irrational number. If pi is, because this is non-terminating and non-recurring type, so this is irrational number. If we multiply a irrational number by 2 or by rational number, we will get irrational only. So this is also irrational number, right? Like this we have to solve. Now next thing we are going to solve, that is simplification. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, simplify the following, right? Simplify. Just writing simplify. Question number 2. Simplify the each of the following, right? How to simplify? Let's see. Question number 1 is given 3 plus root 3 and bracket is given. These questions are given in your book, you may check. 2 plus root 2. ठीक है, अब आगे देखो. 3 plus root 3 ये ब्रैकेट में है, 2 plus root 2 दिस इज ऑल्सो इन द ब्रैकेट. वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. पहले तो ये 3 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2, देन 3 विल बी मल्टीप्लाई बाय root 2. So plus sign, 3 multiply by root 2. Now this root 3 plus root 3 multiply by this also will be multiplied to both of them. So root 3 multiply by 2 plus this also will be multiplied root 3 multiply by root 2. यहाँ हम लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट भी यूज करेंगे. 3 2 जा 6 प्लस 3 multiply by root 2 equal 3 root 2, right? Plus 3 root 3 multiply by 2 equal 2 root 3, right? Plus देखो लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट से दोनों की क्या है, पावर सेम है. पावर मीन्स हाफ पावर, हाफ पावर. रूट मीन्स हाफ पावर. सो कैन वी राइट लाइक दिस, रूट 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2. दोनों रूट पास पास में है तो मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट विल कम हियर, 6 प्लस 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. This is the simplification of this. ये आंसर हो गया, इसको बोलते हैं simplification. 2 of the same, second question of the same. Okay, second is writing here 3 plus root 3. This one is given, and 3 minus root 3. As in previous class we have learned, see here, a plus b, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So can we use this identity here? This will be equal to a plus b, a minus b equal to a square. A square means 3 square. B square means minus root 3 square. So this will be equal to 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3, 9, and root 3 multiplied by root 3. When we multiply by root 3 by root 3, what will come? 3 only. So 9 minus 3, and 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. This is the answer. Okay, like this we have to solve. See next question. This was the number 2. Now number 3 of the same. Let's see. Number 3. Number 3 is, let me see. Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Right? Now see, root 5 plus root 2 whole square, how to solve? As we know, we have an identity. What is that identity? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab. So here writing here 2ab plus b square. So this identity we can use here. This will be equal to root 5 square. Root 5 square plus 2ab. 2, this is a and this is b, plus b square, root 2 whole square. Is it? Yes. Now solve it. What to do? Root 5 square means 5 only, just before we have done. Root 5 into root 5 equal 5, plus 2 multiply by, in previous question also we have done this, 5 multiply by 2 will come, 5 multiply by 2, plus root 2 multiply by root 2 equal 2. Now see, add like terms, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So what will come here? 7. Plus here 5 to 10, so 2 root 10. बस अब ये ऐड नहीं हो सकते, these are not like term, so we cannot add them. So यही इसका आंसर हो जाएगा सेम, और ज़्यादा सॉल्व नहीं होगा. Number 4 in simplification, that is root 5 minus root 2 and root 5 plus root 2. This is same as previous question we have done. We can use here identity a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Right? So we can use this identity here, a square minus b square. So this will be equal to a minus b, a plus b, a square minus root 2 square means b square. A square minus b square is equal to 5, root 5 square is equal to 5 only, root 5 into root 5, minus root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 only. 5 minus 2 equal 3. This is the answer. Solved? Yes, we have done this. Now next question. Next one more question is there. That is question number 3. Question number 3. In this question number 3, it is given, first listen question carefully. Recall, pi is defined as the ratio of circumference c of the circle to its diameter, right? So pi is equal to c upon d. It is written here, pi is equal to c upon d, right? This is given in question, so we can write it, pi equals c upon d. Now question is, this seems to contradict the fact that pi is a irrational number. How will you solve this contradiction? Contradiction means, देखो पाई को हमने बोला है कि पाई एक इरेशनल नंबर पाई इज अ irrational number. C is and D, C is, it is looking like rational, this is looking like rational, and C upon D is in the form of P upon Q. So we can say this is a rational number. C upon D is the form of P upon Q, and which number, the number which we can write in the form of P upon Q, that is a rational. And this is irrational, so this is contradiction, na? Irrational and rational, we cannot make them equal, we cannot write them equal. ये equal नहीं हो सकते, लेकिन ये सही है. अब इसमें क्या है, इस C और D we are not confirm here. C is circumference and D is diameter. C circumference, D diameter. When we will measure circumference and diameter, then only we will find, it is written here only, when we will measure circumference and diameter, then we will find, what we will find, that out of one of both of them will be a irrational number when we will measure it. This will be approximate, either C or D is an approximate value. Approximate value we will have to take, right? So by looking we can say C and D, but actually this is irrational, right? So this will come suppose C is coming non-terminating and non-repeating, and when we will divide, what will come the same, and that is irrational. That's why it is irrational number. So pi or C upon D seem to be a rational, जो लगता है कि rational है, actually is a irrational number. Got it? Yes. This is the question. This was the question number 3. Now after this we will solve question number 4. 4 we have done in previous exercise. In previous exercise also we have done fourth one question. Now see how to do. One more time we are doing this. It is given, represent root 9.3 on the number line. Fourth question. ठीक है, represent root 9.3 on number line, right? How to represent? As I told you, first of all take the line of length 9.3, what is given here. Take 9.3 length in on your scale. So this is 9. We will start from here. Okay, this is 0 and this is 9. Join this. Okay, we are doing just like we have proved in previous video. The same things we are going to do. Now this is A or B you can take. Now here we will have to take a unit length, right? Unit means one only of the same unit. This is unit length, right? this is C. This one is 9.3 and this is 1. Now what to do? Take the center point of the same. How to take center point? Upon this compass more than half, take one arc here and one arc here down. From this side also, one here and second here. Now we will get a midpoint. When we will join this, a dotted line we can take here. Okay, we want this. Okay, now this is a center point, so of the same radius as we have proved in previous videos. See, if you don't know, watch just previous number, part number. Na? This is part number 9, then see 8. If this is 10, then see 9 number. Just make a circle here, right? Like this. Done. After this, just draw a perpendicular on point B. On this point. How to draw perpendicular? Like this. Perpendicular at point B here. This is perpendicular line. And you may join this. Right? And draw a line perpendicular like this. Done. This is 90-degree angle. Now we have proved in that this ABC and this D. We have proved BD is root 9.3. We have proved in that video. So now see, we can proceed this line. Okay, like this. Okay, and now just open it, take a compass till radius should be equal to BD and then cut arc. This is because this is root 9.3, so this also will be root 9.3 like this. This is the representation. No need to do any other thing, right? This one done. Now see the next question. Okay, and the next question is rationalize the following. Number 5, rationalization. Rationalize the following. How to rationalize? See, first question is given 1 upon root 7. Let's try to understand it. Whenever such type of problem is given, what we will do, what is denominator by the same number? If it is single, by the same number we will multiply in numerator and denominator both, right? So what to do here? 1 upon root 7 multiply by root 7 in numerator and root 7 in denominator also. So this will be equal to root 7 upon 7. Root 7 into root 7 is equal to 7. This is rationalization. So we can write here 1 upon 7 root 7. Right? This is answer. This is called rationalization. Rationalization means in denominator we cannot take root. Okay. Second question. How to rationalize? C. 1 upon root 7 minus 2, not minus 2, just writing again, this was wrong. 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. This one is given. Now see, in denominator 2 terms are there, right? So what to do in this one? We will multiply with the same and with negative sign. Here positive sign, minus sign is there, the just opposite sign will be plus. So negative of this one is plus only. So we will multiply in numerator and denominator root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 plus root 6. In numerator and denominator we will multiply by the same number. Now see what will come. Root 7 plus root 6 upon a minus b. A plus b is equal to a square minus b square, means root 7 square minus root 6 square. So this will be equal to, this is root 7 plus root 6 upon 7 square means 7, root 6 square means 6, 7 minus 6 equal 1. So what will come here? Root 7 plus root 6 only and upon 1. No need to write this one. ये आंसर हो गया इसका. This is rationalization. Similarly, you can do rest also. One more I am doing here, and the rest you will try to do. One will left only. This is number 3. अपोजिट साइन से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है आप लोगों को. मैं 4 कर देता हूँ, ठीक है. थर्ड इज सेम एज सेकेंड वन. फोर्थ वन आई एम डूइंग 1 अपॉन root 7 minus 2. This is given. Okay, so we will do the same. 1 upon root 7 minus 2 multiply by root 7 plus 2 opposite sign, root 7 plus 2 opposite sign. ये सेम होना चाहिए न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ सी व्हाट इज कमिंग. रूट 7 प्लस 2 एज इट इज. ये तो यहाँ ऐसे कैसे है. और नीचे देखो a माइनस बी, a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. सो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर इक्वल a. सॉल्व दिस. रूट 7 प्लस 2, 7 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है 7, रूट 7 का स्क्वायर माइनस 2 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है 4. 7 माइनस 4 इक्वल 3. सो ये होगा 1 अपॉन 3 नीचे आया एंड रूट 7 प्लस 2. ये इसको ऐसे सॉल्व करना है आंसर. ओके, सो दिस इज योर एक्सरसाइज 1.5 complete. Okay, next one we will do next exercise, that is 1.6, law of exponent of real numbers. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe and share with your friends, please, so that they can also learn, and ring the bell also for regular notification. Thank you.